Number 1. 1985 Nissan 720 four-wheel drive, $2,350, Portland, Oregon. This 1985 Nissan 720 King Cab is a rugged and utilitarian compact pickup from the mid-1980s. Powered by a four-cylinder gasoline engine with a manual transmission and true four-wheel drive, it was built for durability rather than comfort. With 201,000 miles, it starts easily and runs well, supported by a new starter, good tires, and solid brakes. While it does require attention to items such as blower wiring, a power steering seal, and a shifter bushing, it remains a strong candidate for restoration or light off-road use. A clean title and honest condition make this an affordable classic four-wheel drive pickup. Number 2. 1954 Ford Stakebed, $3,900, Bruceville, Texas. This one-owner 1954 Ford Stakebed is a rare working-class classic that reflects post-war American truck engineering. It is powered by a six-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering mechanical simplicity and ease of service. The engine was rebuilt by the original owner, though the carburetor currently needs rebuilding. The truck is rust-free and carries a clean title, making it an excellent short-term restoration project. Stakebed trucks from this era are increasingly difficult to find, especially with documented ownership history. Number 3. 1989 Ford F-150, $4,500, Medford, Oregon. This 1989 Ford F-150 is a well-maintained late 1980s pickup known for long-term reliability. It features an inline six-cylinder gasoline engine, rear-wheel drive, and a manual transmission. Despite high mileage and an odometer rollover, the truck benefits from extensive recent maintenance, including a new clutch, rebuilt shifter, fuel system components, brake service, shocks, alternator, and regular synthetic oil changes. A modern Bluetooth radio improves usability while maintaining its classic character, making this an excellent choice for a dependable daily driver. Number 4. 1982 Chevrolet Silverado C10 Diesel, $8,500, Leander, Texas. This 1982 Chevrolet Silverado C10 is equipped with the rare 6.2-liter diesel V8, Chevrolet's early entry into diesel-powered light-duty trucks. Showing just 52,518 miles, it features rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. The truck has been stationary for several years and will likely require new batteries, but remains largely untouched. Its originality and uncommon diesel configuration give it strong collector appeal among square-body Chevrolet enthusiasts. Number 5. 1981 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $9,000, San Gabriel, California. This 1981 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed is a desirable square-body pickup powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It runs well and features fully functioning air conditioning and heater, a major advantage for California driving. Recent updates include a new condenser, radiator, and starter. With a clean California title and short bed configuration, this truck is well suited as a driver-quality classic or mild custom build. Number 6. 1984 Dodge Ram D150, $7,000, Aurora, Colorado. This 1984 Dodge Ram D150 stands out for its originality and minimal rust. Powered by a V8 gasoline engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it runs well and provides a solid foundation for restoration or continued use. The paint remains presentable, though clear coat failure is beginning, which is common for Dodge trucks of this era. Included replacement parts such as weather seals, a window motor, and heater core add value. With 114,000 miles shown, this is a practical and increasingly collectible classic Dodge pickup. Number 7. 1988 Toyota pickup four-wheel drive, $6,500. This 1988 Toyota pickup is a highly respected compact truck known for legendary reliability. It features a manual transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3-inch suspension lift with upgraded shocks. Extensive recent servicing includes a timing belt, water pump, fuel pump, ignition components, and battery. The engine runs strong, the 5-speed transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck handles freeway driving comfortably. With a clean title and tasteful off-road upgrades, it is ideal for daily driving or trail use. Number 8. 1989 Toyota pickup, $6,000, San Diego, California. This 1989 Toyota pickup is an exceptionally clean survivor with only 135,000 original miles. Powered by a fuel-injected 4-cylinder gasoline engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, it offers excellent efficiency and durability. The truck retains its original blue paint and has recently received a full tune-up and new tires. Aluminum wheels and a clean title further enhance its appeal, making it one of the nicest late 80s Toyota pickups currently available. Number 9. 1973 Chevrolet C20, $9,500, Fontana, California. This 1973 Chevrolet C20 Custom Deluxe is a heavy-duty square-body pickup built for serious work. It features a V8 gasoline engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The body is reported to be rust-free and in excellent condition. Most notably, it is equipped with a new engine block showing only 11,000 miles, significantly improving reliability. This truck blends classic styling with practical capability, appealing to both collectors and utility-focused buyers. Number 10. 1964 Chevrolet truck, $10,000, Mesa, Arizona. This 1964 Chevrolet truck represents the iconic early 1960s Chevrolet design era. Powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, it offers a true vintage driving experience. The odometer shows 11,944 miles but has rolled over. The engine runs briefly when fuel is introduced manually, suggesting a fuel delivery issue. With new tires and a salvage title, this truck is best suited for restoration or hands-on mechanical enthusiasts. Number 11. 1983 American General Military 5-ton truck, $22,000, Monroe, Wisconsin. This 1983 American General Military 5-ton truck is a highly capable and historically significant vehicle. It is powered by a Cummins 250 diesel engine, paired with an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Features include air brakes, cab heat, a hydraulic 20,000-pound winch, and a hardtop cab. Showing approximately 50,000 miles and offered with a clean title, this truck is suitable for collectors, emergency response applications, or off-grid use. Mileage is legally exempt due to its classification. Number 12. 1978 Chevrolet C10 shortbed, $12,500, Chandler, Arizona. This 1978 Chevrolet C10 shortbed is a highly desirable, one-owner survivor with complete documentation. Purchased new in Flagstaff, Arizona, it retains original paint, interior, sheet metal, and factory paperwork. It is powered by a newer 350 cubic inch gasoline engine with supporting documentation and an automatic transmission. Dual fuel tanks and functioning air conditioning add everyday usability. This unmodified example stands out among late 70s Chevrolet pickups. Number 13, 1970 Datsun 521 pickup, $12,000, NEWMAN, California. This 1970 Datsun 521 is a charming and increasingly collectible Japanese compact pickup. It retains its original green paint with minimal rust and is powered by a 1.6-liter gasoline engine fitted with a Weber carburetor and electric fuel pump. The 4-speed manual transmission operates smoothly. Interior upgrades include new carpet, upholstery, and dash cover, while the bed has been professionally restored with diamond plate. The truck runs exceptionally well and reflects classic Japanese simplicity. Number 14, 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne 4-wheel drive, $12,000, Madera, California. This genuine 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne is a factory 4-wheel drive, half-ton long bed pickup. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine, a 3-speed automatic transmission, and a dual-range transfer case. While the engine is reported to be somewhat weak, the truck runs and provides a solid foundation for restoration or an off-road build. With 6 lug wheels, power disc brakes, clean paperwork, no salvage history, and smog exemption, it is an excellent classic 4-wheel drive project. Number 15, 1946 Ford pickup, $25,000, Madera, California. This 1946 Ford pickup is a well-maintained post-war classic that blends vintage styling with improved drivability. Powered by a V8 gasoline engine and automatic transmission, it has benefited from extensive recent work including a new brake system, complete rewiring, electric cooling fan, fuel pump, battery, and full tune-up. Showing 15,000 miles and offered with a clean title, this truck is well suited for cruising, shows, or collection. Its classic red finish and solid mechanical condition make it a standout early Ford pickup.